Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lemon cupcakes. As you can see, the video starts with these beautiful cupcakes. These are the ingredients for all lemon cupcakes. 2 eggs, 115 grams sugar, 150 grams yogurt, 120 grams oil, zest of 1 or 2 lemons, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 25 grams fresh lemon juice, 200 grams all-purpose flour, 8 grams baking powder. This is one of the easiest cupcake recipes. We don't need an electric mixer for this. We mixed everything with a hand whisk. First, we whisk the eggs, sugar, and vanilla together until well combined. We whisk until the mixture becomes pale and slightly thick. One important tip when mixing cake batter is to whisk in one direction. At this stage, we add the oil. Then we add the yogurt and mix it well. Now we add the fresh lemon juice and mix it. Then we add the lemon zest. It really boosts the flavor of the cupcakes. At this stage, we add the flour, which we have sifted twice with the baking powder, to the batter and mix it. Sifting the flour helps prevent lumps and makes the batter light and airy. Now your cupcake batter is ready, and as you can see in the video, it should have this smooth, flowing consistency. Now we fill the cupcake tray with cupcake liners, or you can grease the tray and dust it with flour. Fill each cupcake about 2/3 full. 20 minutes before baking, preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Then bake the cupcakes for 18 to 20 minutes until golden. When you take the cupcakes out of the oven, let them cool completely before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in comments and I will be happy to answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe.